And on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve announced that it was raising national interest rates as a way to combat record high inflation. News 12's Jordan Simal recently sat down with a pair of local financial analysts to provide some clarity on what this means for your wallet. Jordan.
Well, good evening, Andrew. Thank you. For the first time in 4 years, America's central bank is raising our interest rates. The two gentlemen who I spoke with on the matter both offer the same piece of advice. While rates are still low, take advantage. America's central bank will be raising national interest rates by 0.25%. It's the first time the Fed has raised the rate since late 2018. Financial professional John Vandergriff says this is all being done to help offset inflated costs.
The reason they're raising interest rates is so that it can help slow the economy down. And the hope is that by slowing it down, they can create a happy medium where it slows enough to keep inflation at a number that their target is about 2%, but doesn't slow it down so much that it takes us into a recession.
Inflation has impacted countless Tennesseans and Americans throughout early 2022. However, raising interest rates is something one financial analyst says has worked against inflation in the past.
The way that raising interest rates works against inflation is it tends to cool off the economy a bit. And so it traditionally has worked very well. It's a very effective tool that the Fed has.
As for what Chattanoogan's can expect out of this, Hopkins said that residents should try to pay off what debt they can before rates rise. He also suggested refinancing one's mortgage or applying for a loan while rates are still historically low.
Mortgage rates are going to rise slightly. Interest rates on new car loans are going to go up slightly. If you happen to carry a balance on your credit cards, those rates are already quite high, but they're going to go up again as a result of this general interest rate rise.
Hopkins said the Fed is also going to be more aggressive and hawkish in its attempts to beat down inflation. He explained this means that the Federal Reserve could raise interest rates 5 or 6 more times before the end of the year. Live from the studio, Jordan Simal, News 12 Now.